Hey y'all, it's Kitty. So today I'm on the exercise ball again because my cat is in my chair. But also I kind of like the level that this puts me on. Y'all can see my makeup collection over here. I think it looks cool. So what do you guys think? Do you like me better in the chair or on the exercise ball? I'm a little more wiggly on the exercise ball. So for those of you that watched my live stream that I did recently that was a Hamilton inspired look, you might know that I just got news that I have Hamilton tickets. I'm gonna go see Hamilton. I'm so excited. I am still obsessed with Hamilton. I've been obsessed with Hamilton for a while now. And so, because now I'm thinking about Hamilton even more than normal, I figured I would do another Hamilton inspired look. And in the effort of making them not the same, because I'm not great with inspiration, I figured I would do one inspired by the song Burn. For those of you that are not familiar with Alexander Hamilton and the musical Hamilton, it's about the historical figure Alexander Hamilton, and in the song Burn, he has just publicly announced that he has cheated on his wife. And so Eliza, who is his wife, is like, I'm just gonna burn all the letters, I'm gonna erase myself, I'm gonna erase all of this, and so it's called Burn. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I've already put on eyeshadow primer and I've already set my eyes with the lightest shade in my E.L.F. Mad for Matte Summer Breeze eyeshadow palette. And why don't we just get started on the fun part. So I'm going to start by putting Chocolatier in my crease because I want to darken it up and I don't have a lot of dark, like orangey colors. I want to try and make this a little bit smoky, but I highly doubt that'll end up happening. So yeah, we're just going to start with Chocolatier by Coastal Scents. Next, I'm going to go into this darker orange color. My sister actually made this shadow because she's really cool, and I'm going to put that into the crease as well, but like lower down. Go into a little more of the brown and bring this one in further because it's in further on the other eye. Next, I'm going to go into Bratty by Colourpop and pack that all over my lid with my AOA Studios E113 brush. Holy fallout. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see that, but holy fallout. Now we have the orange on the lid. Next I'm going to take my AOA Studios E122 brush with my glitter primer from NYX and pack that on the outer third of my lid. I like using this tiny brush to do it because it lets me get really specific placement of where I want the glitter glue. Now I'm going to take this glittery shade from my Urban Decay Vice 4 palette and pack that on top of the glitter glue. I'm going to take what's remaining on that brush that I used the glitter glue on and just lightly put that all over the front half of the mobile lid. You're gonna get some glitter from the shade on the end there, that's okay. This is a really awkward way to hold this brush. This is probably not doing anything. And because I don't know what I'm doing, I'm going to now pack Bratty back on the center of the lid. See if we can't make that a little more vibrant. Other side for symmetry's sake, even though I don't really like how it came out. Then I'm going to go into my Violet Voss Rainbow palette. I'm going to take Buttercup and pack that just on the inner corner. Now I'm going to take Sunset Dream from the Too Faced Life's A Festival palette and pack that in between the glitter shade and the inner corner highlight, because we need more shimmer in this look, clearly. And I'm going to be doing that with my fingers. Now I'm going to go in, clean up the fallout, and I will be back to do the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go back in with my AOA Studios E122 brush, go into Bratty, and just smudge that along my lower lash line. So this is what the look looks like so far. I think I'm going to not ruin it if I add black eyeliner, so I'm going to go do that. I'm not going to do it on camera because I suck at black eyeliner. And then I'm going to also put on mascara and the rest of my face, and I will be right back. So this is the finished look with all the rest of my makeup on. I really enjoy how it came out. I was a little concerned for the look as I was doing it, but I think it turned out really well. Here is it without my glasses on. I'm so excited for Hamilton. I am a huge Hamilton nerd. Huge. So if you guys are Hamilton nerds, or if you don't know what Hamilton is, let me know down below. If you are a Hamilton nerd, tell me your favorite song or your favorite, I was gonna say character, but they're real people. Who your favorite person from Hamilton is. I would love it if you would like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. All of those things would tell the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others, and it would really help me out. And I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!